Good morning, students. Myself, UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Monity Dhanbad. Today we will going with the same continue with the same chapter, that is respiration in animals. Okay. So the next topic is, why do we breathe out? What do we breathe out? So basically we have studied that we inhale oxygen rich air and exhale carbon dioxide rich air. Okay, so we inhale whatever the constituent of gases present in the atmosphere, and after the body take the oxygen out of the inhaled air, the remaining air which comes out from the rest of the body, and most of the part the oxygen has been consumed, is known as the exhaled air. Now there are some experiment, okay, to show the mechanism of breathing. Now here you have to take a glass bottle with its bottom side open, fix a rubber sheet over it, and one opening through which to bifurcate, which is demarcated into two channels through which balloons are attached. So when we pull the rubber sheet, then the balloons will get inflated, and when we pull the rubber sheet, the balloon will get deflated. This represents the mechanism of respiration. Okay, so that when we inhale, what happens? The volume of the lungs increases. Okay, as represented in the first diagram. When we exhale, what happens? The volume of the lungs decreases. Okay, and the air is expelled out. So that represents that when we inhale, air moves inside the balloon, and when we exhale, air moves outside. Another experiment is about the effect of carbon dioxide on lime water. So when we what you can say take a solution of lime water, about 1/4 of the glass tube, and through a straw just blow out, what will happen? The lime water will turn milky. Here the lime water reacts with carbon dioxide to form milky water. Okay, so exhaled air consists that proves that the exhaled air consists of carbon dioxide. Breathing in other organisms, different organisms have different methods of breathing. For example, cockroach respire passively by a channel called spiracles, through which the air enters into the chambers called trachea, which is distributed almost to all part of the body, through which it takes oxygen. Okay, it doesn't have a specialized organ like gills or lungs for respiration. Okay, now respiration in earthworm has a moist skin through which gaseous exchange takes place. And from frogs to mammals, which includes humans, also a specialized organ, lungs, are present for respiration. However, in fishes, gills are present, which are present in the sideways. Okay, gills actually take in water, because fishes lives in water, and the dissolved oxygen enters into the gills. It procures out the oxygen, and the remaining water is expelled out. Okay, do plant also respire? Yeah, plants do respire by the minute structure present in the stems and leaves called stomata. Okay, through which they respire, they take oxygen rich air, because they also need oxygen as animals do. Okay, every part of the plant, including the roots, also respire. Okay, the root respires the air present between the soil particles. Okay, so these are some of the important methods of reproduction. I beg your pardon, respiration. After you got the video, the link will open for all of you to ask your doubts. Thank you.